Eyewitness News working medical coverage for you now. In 2014, we saw the first cases of the Ebola virus here in the U.S. and some major medical breakthroughs. Here's a look back at the year's biggest health stories. A worldwide health alert as the deadly Ebola virus makes its way to the U.S. Liberian national Thomas Eric Duncan becomes the first person to die in the States from the contagious virus. The CDC comes under fire for the handling of patient quarantines. Several experimental treatments, including one derived from tobacco, get a push for FDA approval. And President Obama appoints Ron Klain as his Ebola czar. The deadly enterovirus epidemic strikes thousands of kids. It causes polio-like paralysis and sends hundreds to emergency rooms across the country. Mosquito-borne virus chikungunya spread to the U.S. from the Caribbean, infecting recent travelers, causing joint pain, headache, and high fever. The cruise travel industry took a hit after norovirus wreaked havoc on the open seas. Several cruise operators issued refunds or free trips when passengers became sick.
My goal, of course, is to influence this policy for positive change.
Bringing the right to die debate to the forefront, 29-year-old Brittany Maynard passed away on November 1st. She was diagnosed with stage 4 malignant brain cancer and took doctor-prescribed medications to end her life in her Oregon home.
Work, play, friendship, family. These are the things that matter.
Actor and funny man Robin Williams committed suicide in August after a long battle with depression. His death gave a stage to mental disorders in the U.S. An autopsy finds he suffered from Lewy body dementia caused by Parkinson's disease. Social media networks were flooded with videos of celebrities and average Joes taking the Ice Bucket Challenge. The fundraising antic raised money and awareness for ALS. The FDA proposes regulations to require health warning labels on e-cigarettes and ban their sale to minors. Researchers at Johns Hopkins find the antioxidant resveratrol doesn't actually influence heart disease, cancer, or inflammation as previously thought. Health officials urge manufacturers of the drug acetaminophen to limit the active ingredient dose to 325 milligrams to avoid risk of liver damage. Oxford scientists find a simple blood test could help predict Alzheimer's disease. New research from the University of Michigan suggests most double mastectomies are unnecessary, and a controversial 25-year Canadian study finds yearly mammograms do not reduce breast cancer deaths. The most advanced robotic arm gets FDA approval. Luke Skywalker, as it's nicknamed, is the first to perform multiple simultaneous movements. The first nerve-stimulating headband to treat migraine headaches is FDA approved. A high-tech bionic eye procedure is giving blind patients their sight back. The new artificial retina system includes a small video camera and a transmitter within a pair of glasses. Electric pulses are sent to the retina, signaling the optic nerve so the patient can see again. And to round out 2014, the health department today declared the flu widespread here in Rhode Island. Officials say surgical masks are required for all unimmunized healthcare workers.